Hi, first of all, very good morning to all my respected lecturers, parents, and my dear friends, audience. I am Kelvin from OUM Perak, Ipoh Perak. This is my English oral communication video presentation. I am going to present about education. Yes, I want to give a speech of importance of education about which all the people present here know about it. Education play a role very important in everyone's life, since children till the end. It's a very important to get a proper education in the same way as the healthy of body we need. Oh yeah. Food to achieve success and happiness. As the same as education. Education is very important of a human life. It's very necessary to live a great and better life. It provides physical and mental standard by developing personality and changes the level of living of the people. It promotes the feeling of living a better life as well as being good at the physical, mental, and social level. The nature of good education is constructive, which creates our future forever. It helps a person to improve his mental, physical, and spiritual level. Oh, very interesting. So, I hope all of you understand what I am telling here. It gives a lot of confidence by providing knowledge of many areas. Education is also the single important part of person development along with success. It's true. The more acquire knowledge in our life, the more we grow and develop in our lives. Good educated means that it is never a certification and getting a job in a reputed and recognized recognition of institution. Although it's a meaning of have a good and social person in life. It's true. I hope all of you understand about this. It doesn't mean that the certificate is important, but it will have the proper life in our human nature. It helps us to determine what is right and wrong for us. And for those who related to us, the first objective getting a good education is to become a good citizen, then to become a good successful person in life. Education makes the right thinker and right decision maker. We should have been learning something from our teachers, parents and family members, other people related of our life throughout our life. We keep learning. Yes. Example, as me, I will start learning since I'm baby. We start to crawl, we start to walk, and we start to speak and talk. We are human beings always need education. It's a one type of education that I'm explaining just now. We keep learning about something to be a person in living in a home, society, community and friends. Going to school and taking education is very important for every person, very important for those who want to be achieve in success. We all have born on the same planet in the same manner. True. However, due to the formal education, we can lead everyone's success. The person who receives proper education is eligible appreciation in family, society and country. The person who receives proper education is eligible for appreciation in family, society, country. Proper education for everyone removed from the discrimination of bringing equality among the people. It's true. We can have the same rights, equal rights when we have the good education. I hope all of you understand what I am telling. Since we are a democratic country, I hope we have for all the rights, human rights, equality. Education not enables us to study history, science, maths, geography and other subjects, However, it teaches us how to handle a situation in a life. It's simply like a critical thinking and creative, innovative thinking. When we have a problem, we will have to need to take good decision at the same time. We can say that education as an essential part of the social, personal, human life. We cannot ignore the importance of the education in our life at any cost. As we see in society, continuous many social issues are just being created due to the lack of proper education. Social issues as inequality, gender inequality, religious discrimination, and many other problems are lack of education in our life and our country. Proper education helps in maintaining the personal good social standard in our daily life. In this modern technology and competitive world, education among the educated and poor is still an issue of the society, which is urgently need to be resolved very soon. Education for people is a solution to all social, personal and business problems. Proper higher education makes us civilized in a live in the society. Without getting a proper education, no one can be a good image, prosperous and happy in a life society. It enables us to maintain healthy environment. Nowadays, getting a proper education compared to the old time has become easy, simple due as the online system in all major universities and prosperous system, open universities as us. It has made the system learning easier due to which people are poor and unable to attend the school can get education in their area only. To maintain the quality of education across India, many efforts and scheme strategies have been adopted by the government. Education encourages women and child protection rights to save our lives, so many lives, increase economic growth, raise money, promote quality of crops, promote peace in society, corruption, creating awareness about the fundamental rights, etc. etc. It helps in many tasks. Good education is only meaning to get work and good result. However, it is achieve new things for the welfare of mankind. In the education, proper education, teachers, lecturers are play very important role in providing a good level of education to students. Whatever we learn from our parents, teachers, we live in our lives, which we gain transferred to the next generation. The purpose of benefits and proper education are not limited to personal except the benefit of family, society and other people of the country. Let's go. Education is more important to everyone. I hope all of you understand and can inquiry with me. The purpose and benefits of proper education are not limited to personal benefits except the benefit of family, society and other people of the country. Regarding education, people have no different meaning, their needs in perception in society. However, its real problem as well as being self-reliant in society. Many people study with hobbies, not like a burden. Some are part-time studies. They like to read and develop their brain and skills and upgrade their job. Some historians like Swami Vivekananda spend their entire life learning and distributing the poor people of the society. We should have a fully benefit by understanding its true value. I hope all of you understand about education. The purpose of our country education should be help to other people need of the society to get them out of weakness. and subsistence. Education is the incredible power which helps us overcome evil forces, make us self-reliant, provide new possibilities and opportunities. Provide opportunity, become a troubleshoot, create excellent decision maker. It helps our brain to remain calm, balancing by the body, mind, soul. Through the key of education, a person can easily open a difficult lock of success. In the absence of good education, many people are forced to work hard for 2 full days of food. Therefore, education is essential. It's a better, happy life for all of us. I hope all of you understand about the importance of education in our life. Education is important of personal development as well as society economy growth. Moreover, education helps us in acquiring a new skills, techniques and getting a new knowledge. Thus, it becomes a big effort for us to do our daily life activities best possible way with the maximum output and excellence. Education is a necessary a person's standard living. It gives a necessary goods awareness, but how can increase earning with us and our brains and knowledge. As well as we know all that conclusion is the key of element everyone in daily life. Education has the value that helps in making people valuable and full knowledgeable. Education is a necessary to the growth of life of everyone. It has the same value for everyone equally. Everyone is the right to learn. Without education, life can become so difficult, hard to survive. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. See you again. Bye bye.